Hey friends, today we are going to talk about a morning when everything goes wrong. Hey, have you ever felt like you stumbled or sneezed and scared your cat? If yes, this video is for you. Share a short story about Johan's morning and teach you 5 useful English words like mumble and more. So watch till the end and don't forget to share your awkward morning story in the comments. Hey friends, imagine this. It's a cold, sleepy morning. The sun hasn't even fully risen yet. The room is quiet, the sky is still grey, and you are still curled up under your warm blanket. Feels cozy, right? But then, beep beep beep, the alarm goes off, and that's where our story begins. Still half asleep, Johan slowly pulled himself out of bed. His eyes felt heavy, like they were glued shut. His body didn't want to move. Every step felt like walking through a thick mud. As he took his first step, he stumbled a little, dragging his feet across the floor. You know that feeling when you are too sleepy to walk straight, like your brain hasn't caught up with your body yet. Exactly that kind of morning. He walked into the kitchen, yawning, and then out of nowhere, achoo, achoo, he sneezed so loudly it startled his cat, who was peacefully sitting on the counter. The cat jumped like it saw a ghost. Johan sniffled and laughed a little to himself. He reached for the coffee pot and poured himself a cup. Still trying to wake up, the warm smell of coffee filled the room. Slowly, he felt a bit more alive. He sat down at the kitchen table, where his little sister was already sitting. She leaned toward him and whispered, "Shh, don't wake Mom. She's still sleeping." Johan nodded silently and gently nudged her. Pointing at the clock on the wall, they both stared at it for a second. "Oh no, we are late," Johan mumbled. "We are late again," barely able to speak clearly, still caught between ड्रीमिंग एंड रियलिटी। फ्रेंड्स, आज जो वर्ड्स हमने सीखे जैसे स्टम्बल्ड, आप इन्हें अपनी डेली लाइफ में ऐसे यूज़ कर सकते हो। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, अगर आप कभी स्टेयर्स से गिरने वाले हो तो आप इंग्लिश में कह सकते हो आई स्टम्बल्ड ऑन द स्टेयर्स। आई स्टम्बल्ड ऑन द स्टेयर्स मतलब मैं थोड़ा लड़खड़ाया। इसी तरह जब आप छींकते हो, अचानक से छींकते हो, तो आप बोल सकते हो I sneezed all of sudden, I sneezed all of sudden, या फिर I suddenly sneezed, I suddenly sneezed। और जब sneezed का अर्थ है छींकना, तो आप बोल सकते हो I sneezed suddenly, जब अचानक छींक आ गई। फोर्थ वर्ड इज़ whispered। whispered का मतलब होता है धीमी आवाज़ में बात करना। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, उसने मुझसे धीरे से कहा, She whispered to me। Have you ever moved your head up and down to say yes? That action is called a nod, and the past sentence is nodded. So, if someone agreed with you, you can say she nodded in approval. That means she moved her head up and down to show she agreed. In Hindi, we can say उसने सहमति में सिर हिलाया। Fifth word is nodded. Nodded का अर्थ होता है सिर हिलाना हाँ में। अगर कोई आपसे पूछ ले डू यू लाइक कॉफ़ी और आप सिर हिलाओ तो आप बोल सकते हो आई नोडेड माई हेड। सिक्स्थ वर्ड इज़ मम्बल्ड। धीरे या साफ नहीं बोलना। मम्बल्ड का मतलब होता है जब आप थके हुए हो, नींद में हो या क्लियरली नहीं बोल पा रहे। जैसे ही मम्बल्ड समथिंग इन स्लीप, उसने नींद में कुछ बड़बड़ाया। तो दोस्तों, ये थे 6 सिंपल और यूज़फुल इंग्लिश वर्ड्स जिन्हें आप हर दिन यूज़ कर सकते हो। इन वर्ड्स को डेली लाइफ में यूज़ करो, प्रैक्टिस करो, इससे आपकी इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव होगी और आप कॉन्फिडेंस से बोल पाओगे।